Hi, everyone. Steve Rotter here, Chief Marketing Officer at DeepL, and I am thrilled to be here with our guest, Mercedes Krimme, who's the Head of International Experience at Notion. Tell us about Notion. If they're not familiar with Notion, tell me a bit about your role there and what Notion's all about.
So the way that I like to talk about Notion is that it's a customizable AI connected workspace where knowledge work happens. Now, what does this mean? This is a place where you can do things like take notes, you can create tasks, and our newest feature, which is custom agents that allows you to do all of the above in a much more automated way. I am the head of international experience at Notion, so my team oversees localization for all of Notion's user experience, whether that's product UI to our marketing content, and we cover 20 plus languages there. And over 80% of our users on Notion are outside of the US. So it's really important that we get the language piece right. Yeah.
Just maybe a little bit about the language challenges of those global teams and all of those countries. How do you see that, impacting your team, and how is DeepL helping out?
So Notion has always built our product with pretty tight feedback loops in mind from our community, from our ambassadors. It's really part of the DNA of the company. We have a really large ambassador community and very active customers who give us a lot of feedback, which is very helpful. And so given this really global reach, we have over 85 countries. One of the key pieces of feedback that we'd been receiving was how do we operate, or how do our customers operate within a multilingual environment despite not speaking the same language? This was really prevalent in Japan, for example, which is one of our biggest markets. And one of our biggest customers needed a way to use Notion fully in their native language across all of their employees who had different native languages. And so this is where the Notion and the DeepL partnership really helped unlock that collaboration capability within teams. And DeepL also has a larger language set than what we manage on the professional translation side, where we work with translators for the UI and marketing, obviously. But DeepL has also allowed us to unlock additional languages for our users that we don't currently even support on the product, which is also really great.
Now, when you think about this kind of truly localized experience, what are you doing that's unique? I know you said you have a combination of human translation and then DeepL translation. How do you think about that in terms of your overall strategy?
So looking just more broadly at the user experience, it's just really critical that every product surface, every customer communication, it just has to resonate locally. So like I mentioned, for a lot of this work, we do rely on human translators with that local language expertise. But the ability to use DeepL, which really allows us to help streamline this day-to-day work, improve collaboration, and allow users to express themselves in their language of choice, which is really important. So having this combination of human translation and LLM translation really allows for that full end-to-end localized experience from the moment the app is open. And DeepL unlocks that collaboration piece within Notion itself.
We've been touching on this in a lot of our content and our story around creating this idea of a borderless business. And essentially, what I heard you describe is that same kind of idea. With a click of a button, you can extend your content, extend your communication, extend your projects, extend your notes to people that normally you wouldn't be able to reach. How does that impact your customers when they can maybe express themselves in their native language in a way that is, unique to their business?
I say this as somebody who speaks multiple languages myself at complete various fluencies. And so there's really something to be said for allowing people to express themselves in whichever language makes the most sense to them and where they're the most comfortable. Sometimes ideas are just easier to express in another language, or you're just, again, faster at using your native language. So unlocking this native language capability brings to life, using Notion in the easiest and fastest way. And that's part of Notion's mission as well, is to help you build your life's work, which really helps usher in this new era of global participation.
What's next? What is Notion all about in terms of the challenges that ultimately are being solved in the business place?
I think the next great bottleneck is time and how we're able to free up our time. And this is one of the reasons Notion was created in the first place, to have this consolidated, connected workspace where all of your information lives. You're not jumping from tab to tab. You're not using 5 or 6 different products where your information lives sort of all over the place. Everything is consolidated. And I think this embedded translation feature from DeepL, for example, is just a natural extension of that philosophy that absolutely helps save time, where we're able to unlock that near instantaneous translation. And the way that Notion is really taking this a step further too is automating processes, automating workflows, and our custom agents, our AI agents, are a really big part of this to remove this bottleneck and this friction point and really ultimately augment human potential.
So Mercedes, again, thank you for joining us. And we look forward to hearing more about the successes at Notion in the future.
Thank you so much, Steve.